back, and would you look at that, it's done. So we thought the work was a little bit boring, so we just thought we'd crack on with it. And the golf is done. And she's got a couple of teething problems, but she's running pretty damn well. We've been out 3 times, 4 times? 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times.
And so far so good. Power steering's boiling a little bit, but I think we know why. Bit of a kinked toast. Apart from that, she is running spot on. And basically what we've done is it started with a shell. We've put the engine in, obviously gearbox with it. What else have we done? All new brakes, bigger brakes, brake lines.
You look at these new brakes?
Yeah, they're the 312s off the, well, it came on lots of things like the V5. They're pretty big. They aren't really worn in yet. They're all discs off another car, but they're doing all right. They're wearing in. It's only running good years at the moment, standard road tyres, but they're doing all right. They're actually gripping okay. Bit slippy. Apart from that, she's pretty much standard. She's got a map on her and a standard KO3 turbo, but tell you what, it goes all right. It's about, I reckon, 200 brake. I don't know. And it's pulling all right.
Yeah.
You know, we're overtaking a few people, so that's good news. It's both our first track day as well, so we're having fun, and we always will doing this.
Connected up the exhaust. Connected up the exhaust.
Oh yeah, we got the exhaust all fixed up now.
Connected all the connections up.
It's not a huge amount really. It's just a stock car really, but obviously with a couple of things.
No front plate, that fell off somehow.
It's in there now.
Don't know how that happened.
Don't know how that happened, mate. But
And
not actually on the road yet.
yeah, all new bulbs in. We've got to get an MOT on it soon. And it's just someone before had this drill. Don't know why.
Dice, mate. Dice.
Dice? I don't know. But they had it drilled. Don't know why. So around the back, 2 new tail lights put in. But the this one hasn't fallen off somehow. Don't know how that one didn't fall off. What else have we done? Got a monster. Sponsored. No, we're not sponsored, but yeah.
Tyres have definitely been enjoying this. Got some melting, bit of scrubbing. So far, so good. Rear brakes are crap. They are some really eBay special Jordan groove discs, and they're crap. They're juddering a lot. But you know what? We're dealing with it, and we're having a good time. And the front's pretty good. So brakes need bleeding really, but yeah, they work. So going into core at like 110 or something, we still stop. So it's not bad.
Boot straps. Boot struts.
Yeah,
boot struts.
they weren't.
All new.
They weren't very good before.
And yeah, working sunroof as you can see from there.
Well, it works really. There's not a lot wrong with it now. A few little things to iron out, but that's to come. Yeah. What would you say the biggest problem is?
What did we spend ages on? We spent like ages on doing something. I forgot what was
the exhaust was a bit dodgy.
The exhaust, what was we spent ages on doing?
Bleeding the brakes. Trying to bleed the brakes was
a bit of
a pain because I think the master cylinder is a bit knackered, but we're using it. We're getting by.
Yeah.
They work, so could be better, but could be worse. So
yeah. So a lot of you might wonder what we've been doing for the past couple of weeks. Well, I've been busy. We've both been on holiday a couple of times, and yeah, we haven't really had time to come out and do it. We've just been working on this for the past few weeks, like 2 months now, I think actually.
Yeah, on and off.
Which is why we haven't actually updated you guys. We just want to have a finished piece. But the aim of the series now is just to, I guess, take it on track, see what times we get. Have fun, and also upgrade it. So as we go along, we'll do like coilovers,
tires,
front and rears, better tires. Yeah, as you said, tires are a big thing. Oh, Honda NSX. That is very nice. That is very, very nice.
So if he takes it out.
Yeah, new tires, new brakes, and that's the main things that do it. But you can also do extra power, but that's not like the main thing you need to do.
I'd say it's got enough
to get a better car.
It just needs to handle better.
Yeah, I think if you get a KO4 turbo, which will give us 300 brake, then that'll be alright. Bit more power. Doesn't ever go unharmed. But also what we're looking to do is take out a lot of the interior. So as you can see, there's a lot of the carpet. 10 kilograms right here, 10 kilograms here, another 10 kilograms, so it's 30 kg just in carpet mats from the back. And let's see if there's got a spare tyre.
Of course it hasn't.
It's got a lot of tape. And that's a good 5 kg.
Can't swell it, saving our day.
And yeah, so once we take out the rear seats and everything, it should be fine. It should be a lot lighter.
We've also removed 2 of these bolts because obviously that's 10 kg each.
Bolt 10
What we are missing, of course, is, well, have a look yourself. There's no bloody stickers, so we're losing a lot of power there. So we want to get some stickers.
Oh yeah, car throttle stickers.
So let us know. We want to make a list of crap stickers because that will give us the edge over everyone else.
Got a bit of weight saving here. So you see a bit of the paint come off.
It's like,
what would we call that? A kg?
well, let me tell you something a minute. Porsche, they've got rid of their badges and changed it to a sticker on a lot of their higher models. And well,
why is that? Why is that?
Well, it's obviously weight saving, and we've thought, well, paint's quite heavy, so if we start to chip away at it, I think we might just get the edge on those Caterhams.
I think we will.
They're a bit faster. Keep up on the straights though.
Take that a little bit, that scratch.
Well, obviously we don't want to put polish on it because that's more weight again. So.
Oh yeah. And we took that Volkswagen badge off. Weight saving. Yeah. We like a bit of weight saving, don't we?
Different wheels, weight saving.
Different wheels, weight
somehow,
saving.
I don't know.
Bit of sellotape because.
If you look in there as well. Come with me. Are you coming?
I'm coming around. I'm coming around. Nice.
Now that's
yeah, that's what's that in kg?
Well, it's got 100, I think.
100.
Yeah, I feel bad for eating a bad crisps in this thing. It's just, oh dear.
Oh
dear. So obviously we towed it with the Skoda today, and we all know.
That's no. Hang on. That's the next. We're not on that video yet. We got to turn another one out. Next, this is part one of the.
I see my issue.
There's more money to get from this day.
Yeah, obviously we're trying to make money. Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't do this for fun. So.
No.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a nuisance doing these videos, but.
Yeah, I hate doing it, but obviously pays the bills, doesn't it? Pays the mortgage.
Pays for the kids.
Yeah, I got 6 kids.
Kids in school. It's all good.
6 kids, but that is a decent income. I'll tell you that.
That is very nice.
Bit messy. I like it though.
But yeah, so that's the next video to come. So that'll be out soon. Not sure when that'll be out. But yeah, this will be before the next video, which we're going to be coming out whenever we plan it.
Listen to that. Awesome. You hear that? Sounds like a goal.
So have a little listen to it.
Okay. So when we had a complete straight pipe on this, it was going to be way too loud for this track because the limit's 100 decibels and it was like over 110, so pretty loud. And yeah, obviously that was going to fail. So we've got a full system now with a silencer and a back box, standard, but obviously still decad, so we get.
We'll put in a video of what it sounded like before with the exhaust. It used to sit flames, doesn't do it anymore, but.
It probably still spits flames because it's got a car in it.
Yeah. Then won't even break this up. This is pretty good. So
it's engineering that.
That's engineering
yeah,
that. Of course,
this
that without even working. Is that work? You put the ignition on.
The ignition in.
The ignition on. Yeah, show me it's working.
That is probably. Yeah, there you go.
Look at that.
Obviously, that's a bit dodgy. There you go.
Engineering.
This is engineering. I tell you that. So we've got.
Oh yeah. So it's like Porsche designed.
It was. I went in a GT3 RS and I thought, you know what I can take for this? The badge, obviously with the paint. On this. Now let me show you something.
So yeah, obviously.
See, there's 2 ways. In an emergency, you can pull this. Ready?
Oh,
and I nearly hit your phone. Second of all, if you're just in a bit of a chill, you want to open the door, you've got a cheeky little zip tie, and that will do it just as well. So I'll tell you something, it's practical. That's really all there is. There's a speaker, but it's shit. But you know, obviously it's there. It's nice to have.
Weight saving?
I don't know if it actually has a radio.
It does. It does.
It does, but. Hang on, let's pick up I can't find a channel. There's no aerial.
I like static.
See, what's happened there is they don't work. Well, it does, but you know.
So what's the future modifications then? So we've already talked about it, but what's the first one we're going to try and do?
So. I don't know, firstly I think tackle handling, because I think it's got enough power to have fun.
So what do you need for handling?
Well, you could get an e-back anti-roll bar set, but that's quite expensive.
How much are we talking?
I think you'd probably pick it up for like 100 quid.
100 squids?
Maybe less, maybe 80.
It's good.
So that would be a good thing to start with, because it's quite a bit of a HMS. Not quite as HMS as that.
HMS Skoda.
But it's not, it does roll a little bit through the corners, and it does roll the tyres, but I think if we did that, stiffen up a little bit, and then maybe some coilovers, AP coilovers, that would help again. And apart from that, that's and tyres. So
what's our lap time so far? We've got like 125, didn't we? 125 we recorded?
yeah, I think so. That was about right.
So what do you think we should get on the next one when we do these upgrades?
About 30 seconds?
30 seconds?
I'd like to shave at least a few seconds at least, you know.
What, 123?
Hope so. Yeah.
2 seconds for 80 quid?
Well, in F1 it's about £1 million a second, isn't it? So I suppose for value for money.
Value for money, that's
not bad.
That's good.
Get in my eye. But not in that way. So
What
yeah,
way,
by the way,
what way do you mean?
don't worry about it. Well, I've just thought the first thing we're going to do to it is the master cylinder, because I think it's a bit shit. And we'll get the brakes bled properly. And then new disc and pads on the back. That is the first thing we're going to do.
But yeah, let's have a little look at it. Shut the doors up.
I'm there. Oh.
You're in. Got my merch.
Yeah,
Shout out to Merlin Motorsport for hooking me up with a long sleeve shirt today.
Free.
No, 10 quid, but free, yeah. So have a look. What are you guys thinking? Looks pretty good. Pretty mean. I'm liking it. Bit of sellotape, obviously. Different wheels. Front wheels are slightly bigger because the brakes are too big. And yeah, she's looking good.
Should we get some food? We got half an hour. Let's get some food.
Should we bring them along for food?
Oh well, of course we are.
All right, let's
Food
get
vlog.
food. It's good.
Not sure.
We're about to go out. Cheeky track day. First time in the Golf. The brakes suck, but let's see what happens. Don't know. Give it a go.
We're back, safe and sound. On his work, she's all locked up. See all the stickers on her. Cheers for watching another video. And we shall see you again for the next one and some other things coming up like Q&As and all that. So, thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Peace.